Hello everyone, it's me Adrian again, and in today's video, it's 12th of November 2025, we are again on Sudoku Coach, and I will try to solve a vicious Sudoku. I will start straight with the notes, not logical, not anything. I want it to be fast. I already see a triple here. So here is a 6. Here is an 8. Okay, here is a single hidden. Another one. Another one. As usual, these vicious. Another triple here. 3, 4, 9. This is a 6. 3, 4, 9, 7, 1. The vicious ones on this side, Sudoku Coach, they start easy and they end up complicated. What I was doing, I spoke and I forgot. Okay, I'll take out the notes. Okay, 1. It's a single. Okay. Let's see number 2. Number 2, nothing. 3. It's too crowded. 4. 4. I take out this. And let's see number 5. A single here. This is out. Here it's a 5. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 5, 5. Okay, let's see number 6. Number 6. This and this is a skyscraper, and this can be out, and this can be out. Okay, so what do we have? This. Okay, let's go to number 7. This is out. We are left with this 7. We are left with this 7, this 7. Okay, number 8. We have a single there. Okie dokie, 49, 3, 6, 49. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Double. We take out the 3, and the 3, and now we have 169, but it doesn't help us. 439. Okay, let's take the notes again. A single one. Okay, number 2. Number 2, a bit crowded, but not like before. But I can't see too much. 3. This is crowded. Nothing. 4. Single. Okay. Zoom, zoom. Single, single. This. No. So I have this. I will leave it for number 5. Okay, number 6. I have a naked pair 2 3, so I can eliminate the 3, and I have a 6, and I have a 1, and I have a 9, and 2 3 2 5 3. So I can eliminate everything. I can eliminate the 3, and here is a 3, here is a 6. What else? 4 3, 4 2. Let me do it like this. 2 4 3, 2 4 3, a triple. I can take out the 4 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. And now I have 7 5 7 5, but it doesn't help me. 2 3 2 5 3 3 4 9 2 5 3. Okay, 2 3 9 2 3 9 2 3 5. Yeah, another triple here. 2 3 9 2 3. I take out 2 3. I have a 1. Okie dokie. 3 9. 2 3 9. Okay, let's put up the notes again. 2. I don't see anything. 3. Doom 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 doom. Here I can take out this. Okay, this is a T. Nothing. Single 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 singalong. Okay, let's see number. What I was 3, number 4 now. 4. What's this? Now it's what I was telling you. It's harder at the end. So I have this double, double, nothing. Have this. So this, like this, nothing. Nothing. Okay, let's see 5. Single. I have this and this, nothing. 6. I can't see anything. 7, nothing. 9. 9. We have an X-wing with these 2 and these 2. So I can eliminate this 9 and this 9 from these 2 rows. And now we have locked. We take out this 9. And what else? Let's click again. 9. This is clean. Nothing. 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 Okay, nothing to see. Again. That's the procedure. Again and again and again with the notes. And we can eliminate as much as we are able to. 5, nothing. 6, 7, 9 again. Okay, let's see obvious things if we can find. That's the hard part. That's the most beautiful part. 4 2 4 2. We have a naked pair. Take out the 2, 2 and 4. We have 6 9 6 9. Okay. 4 9. Let's see. 6 9 2 3 9. No, 2 3 2 5 3. Sorry guys, that's my phone. 243, 253, nothing. 235, 23. Okay, 239, 235. What else can I see in here? 23. Let's see this 39 with 39. No. 234. No. 249. XY Z wing, but it doesn't help me. 24. What can I find in here? I noticed something earlier, but I missed it now. Let's see, 2, 3. So 2, 3. No. I was trying to find a hidden rectangle. Let's see with 3, 9. 3, 9. We have them here. Okay, 4, 3. Nothing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 4, 9. Yeah, that's the hard part. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have, but unfortunately it doesn't help me. 2, 3, 4. No help. 4, 3. Okay, I'll put the notes once again. Maybe I missed something. Something on this. Nothing. Okay, with this, I don't see anything. But I have this. Okay, 3. This. 2, 2, 2, 2, nothing. 4. So we have this, we have this. And yes, 2 string kite. We have this row and this column. They all meet in here. And the junction is this 4. So I can take it out. Okay. What else? We have another pair in here. So empty, have this. It's very difficult, this one. Exactly now at the end, like I was telling you in the beginning. So these 2, yeah, I think we have something. Skyscraper. This can see this. I take it out and we have 4 here. I think it's broken. Okay. At least with the 4s. Yes, that's it. I think, yes, it was a Skyscraper, 4-2, 4-2, and 9. And that is pretty much 15 minutes. 2-3 naked pair, that's a 9. 2-3, 9. 2-3, 4, that's a 9. Yeah, I'm just filling the cells now. So hopefully I don't have a bug. +1 at the end. 2-3, 2-3, 2-3, 2-3, 2-3. 2-3, 2-4-3, 4-9, 4-9. 4-9. I'll check the notes because it's not clear for me. 2-3 with this, it's a Skyscraper, and this can see this, and this is a cannot be a 2, it's a 3, and that's all. This is breaking everything. Yes, so 16 minutes, not 15. That was a vicious Sudoku puzzle on Sudoku Coach, my favorite website to do this. What I do during the day, I have an Android app, Sudoku Club. I screenshot their expert Sudokus and I paste them here because they have a different approach. They are more engageable, more, how to say, they are different. Different interface, different architecture, you know. Sudoku Coach becomes predictable at some point, at least vicious and fiendish. If I go over another level like hell, or what's the levels? Play. From here, from devilish, hell, beyond hell, they are too hard for me. I can do up to this fiendish, but from here it's pure luck. They start with forcing chains and I didn't do them yet. Okay, that was all. Have a nice evening, guys. Bye-bye.